thought I would bring you a video of me unboxing my soursop tree that I've gotten from Fast Growing Trees. I've already dug my hole, so let's get this started. Alright, they send a quick information sheet for planting directions, for indoor patio tips. Also comes with coupons, and then some more things that they offer to purchase, and their seasonal arrival tips. They also have where you can purchase a warranty. I don't do that, but some people may want to purchase a warranty. Let me go ahead and start getting this into the ground. I'm so excited. I've been wanting a soursop tree. I think they call it guana banana, something like that. So before I get ready to put my tree in the ground, I'm going to add just a little bit of blood meal, not a lot, and then I'm going to add in some garden tone just to add some nutrients to the soil, but not a lot. So there's really no measurement. I'm doing it by sight. Let's go. So what I just did was just test to see if my hole is the right size. It is a little deep, so I'm going to add some soil into this. Now I'm going to put in my blood meal and a little bit of garden tone. Now I'm going to wet this down. Now I'm getting ready to water some. I put some soil in, and now I'm going to water so that this can be thoroughly watered in. I'm going to tie it because it gets windy towards the evening hours here. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's remnants of a beetle, the kind of beetle that, that's fluorescent. And they leave white grubs all over my yard. And I know lead farmer says they don't bother his, but mine, they have wreaked havoc in my garden. They have gotten to the roots of a lot of my plants. When I had planted corn, they had gotten into the roots of the corn. They got into my pineapple plants. They got into some of my container plants. They just awful here. So I don't know how people deal with them in other areas of the country. Let me know if you deal with these huge white grubs and they're left by these beetles that they're fluorescent looking. And they bury into the ground or to the dirt, and they leave their larvae, and the larvae grow to be this big, huge white grubs, and then they feed off the roots. And man, they have just been nonstop around here. Even my bushes, they attack everything. So I purchased some Grubex I found on Amazon, and so I'm kind of hoping that I can keep the population down a little bit and see if that would help with survival of some of my plants and trees that I have in my backyard. Okay, everyone, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned. I have 2 more trees that I've ordered. I ordered a lemon and an avocado because those two I believe I lost. If you watched my previous video, I hadn't watered my containers, my backyard, my plants. I had went like 3 months without watering, and I believe I'm sure I did lose my avocado, my lemon, and I had 2 lemons and they were really producing. I think I lost my grape vines as well. So I had to replace 2 grapevines, and lemon, I only got 1 this time. My avocado, I'm still waiting to find out if I will have my apple. I have a columnar apple and a regular apple tree. I'm hoping that they're not lost, but I will, I'm going to let them do what it do and see if they survive. But I am going to have a video planting up my avocado and my lemon. But this here, guys, is my guanabana soursop. That's what it is. I don't know how you call it or what you call it, but that's what it is. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Thanks for watching. Bye.